to transfer Shiba Inu from one platform to another. The process is straightforward and quick. First, obtain the Shiba Inu wallet address from the receiving platform. Open the app, click on the search icon, and type Shiba in the search bar. From the results, select the Shiba Inu option, which will open the Shiba Inu crypto page. Scroll down and click on the Send and Receive option. Then select the ratio button to display the QR code and wallet address. Click the Copy Address button to copy the wallet address. Next, open the sending platform's app and click on the search bar or icon. Type Shiba in the search bar, and from the results, select the first Shiba Inu option. Click on the Send button. Then paste the wallet address copied earlier into the designated box. Click the Continue button. Enter the amount to be transferred, and click the Preview button. If a warning appears, click Continue again. Verify that the wallet address and amount are correct, and if satisfied, click the Send Now button. The Shiba Inu will then be transferred from one platform to the other.